Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things innovative and useful. Today, we've got something special for you, the best-looking wireless doorbell on the market. This sleek and feature-packed device is a game-changer for your home security and convenience. Stick around as we dive deep into what makes this wireless doorbell from PHYSEN so fantastic. First things first, let's talk about the aesthetics. This wireless doorbell from PHYSEN is not just functional, it's also a stylish addition to your home. With its modern design, it seamlessly blends in with any decor. But looks are just the beginning. One of the standout features of this wireless doorbell is its impressive range. It can cover over 1,300 feet in open space. That's longer than 4 football fields. No more worrying about missed deliveries or unexpected guests. Now, let's talk about durability. This doorbell is built to withstand the elements. With a strong IP55 waterproof rating and the ability to operate from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, it's designed to brave rain, snow, or intense heat without a hitch. But wait, there's more. This PHYSEN doorbell offers a whopping 58 different ringtones to choose from. Whether you want something soothing or attention-grabbing, there's a ringtone for every mood. Plus, it's got 5 adjustable volume levels, ranging from a whisper quiet 0 decibels to a booming 110 decibels. Perfect for any occasion. Now, here's a feature that's not just practical but thoughtful. The built-in LED strobe is a great addition for the elderly or hearing-impaired individuals. It provides a visual alert when someone's at the door. And guess what? This doorbell remembers your last melody and volume level after a power outage. No need to reconfigure it every time. Want to add more receivers or doorbell buttons? Not a problem. This wireless doorbell system is expandable. You can choose 1 button with 1 receiver or go all out with 2 buttons and 4 receivers. Customize it to fit your needs. It's that flexible. Now, let's take a look at what you get in the kit. You'll receive 2 wireless transmitters, 3 plug-in smart doorbell receivers, double-sided mounting tape, anchors, screws, and even an A23 battery. Everything you need for a hassle-free installation. And here's the cherry on top. PHYSEN stands behind its product with an 18-month warranty and 24-hour customer service. If you ever have questions or issues, they've got your back. Before we wrap it up, just a quick note, there's also a newer model of this wireless doorbell available. It offers even more features like 110 decibels loud sound and an LED flash for added convenience. So, be sure to check that out too. In conclusion, this PHYSEN wireless doorbell is the perfect blend of style, functionality, and convenience. With its impressive range, durability, and customization options, it's a top-notch addition to any home. If you're looking for a wireless doorbell that not only works flawlessly but also looks great, this is the one to consider. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and as always, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more fantastic product reviews. See you next time. Until then, keep ringing that doorbell and stay safe.